What's the meaning of childproof? Childproof. Childproof.
Childproof. Childproof. The term childproof refers to a safety measure that is designed to prevent children from accessing or using potentially harmful items or substances. This may include childproof locks on cabinets containing medications or cleaning products, childproof caps on bottles of medicine, or childproof latches on doors leading to areas like swimming pools or balconies. The ultimate goal of childproofing is to reduce the risk of injury or harm to young children by making it more difficult or impossible for them to interact with dangerous items or environments.